Welcome. Now I can show you how to change screen mode on Warhammer Speed Freaks. So screen mode toggles between full screen and window display options. So to change it, if you wanna show your game in window, for example, you just should click on the gear icon on the top part of your screen, then choose settings. Afterwards, in graphics, find the first item, screen mode, and choose between full screen, full screen window, full screen, full screen window or full screen. So for example, if you choose full screen window, you will see the window. Maybe you don't see in my case, just because it's in my case. So wait a while. You can't see in my case because my OBS capturing only the part of the game without the window mode. So, but now I see the window frame in my case. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.